beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing amazing. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Justine and I post beauty related content every single Sunday. So it used to be Mondays that I used to post every week, but now I'm changing it to Sundays in the hope that it'll make a difference and I'll be famous next week. So today I'm going to teach you how I achieve this makeup look that is on my face. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're going to start by putting our hair back like so. Then we're going to brush our brows out, fill them in and make them all fancy and fleek and stuff. Clean up the edges with some concealer on a flat brush. Apply concealer all over your lid, blend that out, and then apply some powder. Opening your Jaclyn Hill palette, today I'm using Creamsicle for my crease. Tap that off and blend that into your crease using your blending brush. Opening the James Charles palette, going into Love That. Tap that off and we're going to blend that into our crease just under that yellow shade. Taking Escape on your definer brush and we're going to blend that into the outer V. Cut half of your crease. I'm using Shapetape concealer on my flat brush. Going into Morphe's 39S palette with Here For It on your lid. Use your finger to apply it and a brush to blend it. Going in with Tune from the James palette, blend that on your inner lid. Then blend B on top of that. Taking my gold MAC highlighter, I'm popping that in on my inner corner and on my brow bone. Taking my Stilla Liquid Eyeliner in black, I am lining my lid and drawing a wing. Curl your lashes and batter them up with mascara. Time for base, going in with Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer all over my face, neck and chest. Then I'm going in with Juvias Place foundation all over my face. I'm using Sebu. Then blend that out using your flat kabuki brush. Don't forget to blend down your neck and chest so then everything matches. Then blend that further using your damp beauty blender. Apply Shape Tape to the high points of your face and then blend that out using your damp beauty blender. Set your face using a translucent powder on a damp sponge and blend that out with a big fluffy brush. Go in with some bronzer on a contour brush and blend that out to the outsides of your face. Dip into that contour shade and apply that to your cheekbones and your jawline. Using that same contour shade on a small definer brush, contour the sides of your nose. Take a banana shade on a flat blending brush and sharpen it up and blend it out. Blend your harsh lines using your buffer brush. Contour under your lip for more of a pout. Go in with that same highlight we used before and highlight the high points of your face. Apply a nude liquid lipstick and then a gloss on top. Blend Creamsicle under your waterline and blend Love That on a smudge brush on top of that. Blend Escape on the outer edge of your under eye. Line your tight line using a black eyeliner pencil. Then set your face with some Fix Plus and fan your face like a princess. Then I usually just admire my work in slow motion listening to exotic music. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you all liked it. All the products will be listed down below in the description. Please let me know down below in the comments what video you would like to see next. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to become part of the Phalange fam. And that is it, my friends. TTFN, ta-ta for now.